Welcome back to Ford of Upland, and in this episode we're going to share with you one of the most exciting trucks in the Ford lineup, the 2022 F-150 Tremor. The 2022 Tremor that we're showing here has the agate black metallic exterior paint. Now this thing obviously is a beast, right? I mean, just look at the bigger tires, the way this thing just kind of stands out. Definitely grabbing everyone's attention as you drive by. Let's start off with the exterior of this thing. I mean, like I mentioned already, it kind of has that big bulky feeling. I love these tires. I mean, the badging all along the outside is really nice as well. And then I love the little touch of orange as they put it there on the front of it. And then obviously it matches the badging there. And I also love these hood vents. They just look so sharp. I don't know, there's something about them. All right, let's take a look at the bed of the truck. First off, push button release. Back here on the tailgate, if you need to measure something out, you got a built-in ruler. Let's get dirty and take a look underneath of this truck. All right, let's hop into this interior and look around. First off, I love the digital tachometer. Looking over at this big old screen that you get to play with. I'm not going to cover everything that this touchscreen can do. I just kind of wanted to give you a look all around this vehicle. Then you got this dual view and reverse mode where you can see bird's eye all around you in case there's something low that you can't pick up in the rearview mirror. You can see it on this bird's eye. And then how about this dashboard? That is sexy. Look at these driver's seats with that orange badging on them. That's a nice touch. Obviously here you have your different settings from 2-wheel, 4-wheel high, and 4-wheel low. You got that Pro trailer package as well in there. Jumping into the back seat here, you still see that orange lined seats. And this back seat has plenty of room. All right, we got to take a look under the hood. This has that 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, which gives you plenty of power to tow, etc., but yet still gives you really good fuel economy. So there you have it, a walk around of this 2022 F-150 Tremor edition. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below. Hey, thanks for watching Ford of Upland.